Hi, if you'd like to see how much weight I lost this week and the tips I used to help me lose 121 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is my weekly weigh-in video, and I like to share some tips that I use to stay on the program that I use to lose 121 pounds. And what I do is follow the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, and I've been following it. I have a goal of losing 181 pounds. And today I would like to share some tips that I have to successfully start Weight Watchers and continue to use it to motivate yourself when you're having some tough times getting started, and what you can do to find success at weight loss. First tip I have is to measure everything and track it. Every little bite you take, you just don't know what you're doing to maybe when you're guesstimating a tablespoon, or it may seem bigger than it is or smaller than it is. So just use the actual measuring utensils to get the right portions of food and track it. Even if you're not using Weight Watchers, it's a good idea to write down everything you eat so you can actually see, because sometimes it may be more than what you actually think. Now, the second thing is for Weight Watchers is to plan your meals around 0 point foods. It will help you stay within your point range. So if you, like, I only have 25 points for a day. So if I plan one of my meals being a lean protein like chicken or turkey, and then planning your extra points around that, it helps you get through the points for the day. So that's one tip that will really help you stay on plan when you're starting Weight Watchers. Number 3 is find support in different places to help you stay on track. There is plenty of YouTube channels that do Weight Watchers. They offer tips and meal planning, what you eat, what they eat in a day, and all those kind of different things for all the Weight Watcher plans, whether it's blue, purple, or green. There's Instagram accounts that you can follow, TikTok accounts you can follow. Even WW has the app on their phone where you can get some help when you want to get started, and different things you might use to stay motivated. There's also lots of Weight Watcher recipe sites which help you find different things to eat, different ideas for staying on points and trying different kinds of foods. So that's always another good option. Which leads me to the fourth tip: eat food you like. There's no way you're going to be able to stick to a diet and make it a lifestyle if you're eating food that is not tasty and flavorful. So just make sure you incorporate foods you like into your daily points. Pizza, steak, any kind of cheese, any snacks, those all can be incorporated into Weight Watchers. Just, account for the points, and that way you can make sure that you can stay on plan. One thing to do when you're starting Weight Watchers is to take pictures. It's great to have a before picture and take measurements. Those kind of things will help you, motivate you to keep on track. And it's just non-scale victories. It's not always about the scale, because the non-scale victories, like maybe riding on a roller coaster and being able to ride on an airplane without asking for a seat extender, or trying on those clothes that never used to fit you and being able to get in them again. All those things are non-scale victories that will help you, motivate you to stay on your weight loss plan and just keep you going, because it's not always that the scale is going to go down, and you may be losing inches and you'll see it in those pictures and in those measurements, but maybe not on the scale. So the next tip is very important. If you fail or if you make a slip up, don't beat yourself up. And with Weight Watchers in any program, it's always a new day, a new meal to have points to work with, and you can always start over. Don't let that get you and get in your head and make you say, make you feel defeated, because you always have a new chance to start over. The next tip is to have patience with your weight loss. You didn't gain the weight in a week or a day, you're not going to lose it in a week or a day. So it's just going to be a process of making the right choices and being patient, and you'll see the results. The next tip is take small steps and make small goals. And it's just so much easier to go after those 5-pound weight loss markers or achievements than to look at, oh my gosh, I have to wait until I lose 100 pounds. Take that 5 pounds at a time, because 5 pounds is a lot of weight when you see it, 5 pounds of fat. And just use that to motivate yourself, and you'll see that you will do so much better if you just know that you're achieving those small steps and those small goals, and everything will add up. The next tip I have is to portion out your snacks. Make sure it's really hard to get through a day without eating a snack or a little treat in between a meal. So portion them out, because that will help you get the taste of food you want, but you won't have the opportunity to go overboard and screw everything up. So portion out those. If you want chips, just portion them out. Maybe plan it for the day. Make a little snack box so you have all your little snacks ready to go. And that is just a really good tip to stay on plan. Another tip is to remember that movement of any kind will help, whether you're getting up to walk a little bit, do some dancing while you're cleaning the house, any kind of those things that will help you to get some movement in. So it just makes your body moving and gets your heart rate up, so you'll be able to take off the weight, and it just does help you. I know I walk around and I'll just do arm lifts or something just to get those extra things in when I'm walking. So it just all helps. So those are my first 10 tips. My last tip is don't try to be perfect. You're not going to have a perfectly straight down weight loss. You're not going to have a perfect day every single day. It's just impossible to try to be perfect every day. So just remember that when you're starting out, that as long as you don't quit, just keep on going, that you'll find that you find your weight loss success. So those are some of the tips that I wanted to share with you, so that maybe it will help you when you're starting out, or when you're in the middle, or just really any time. Maybe you started off and you messed up a bit and took a break, and then you're getting back on. So just use some of this to try to keep on your weight loss program. So I hope that helped you. So this week on the scale, I lost 1 pound. It brings me up to a total of 121 pounds lost. I'm 60 pounds away from my 181 pound goal, and that is 2/3 of the way there. Yay! So I'm going to keep on going. I hope you can share my journey with me. It really helps me to make these videos. I hope it's helping you. So that's it for this week. Please comment below if you have any tips that you use when you started, or when you get off the track and restart. that you may have found helpful to get you restarted or first started Weight Watchers, or any diet plan. I really enjoy reading your comments and would like to, maybe they'll help somebody else if they read them. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, please. It really helps my channel. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.